Good morning to your vlog.
Good morning.
Say hi to your guys. Huh?
Say hi to everybody.
What?
Say hi, yeah. What? Say that. Hi to your guys. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
What are you doing today?
I'm sitting with Zaki, and then Zaki is crying right now because he wants more food.
He wants more food?
Yeah.
Say hi, Zaki.
He won't.
Ano man gina-eat ni Zaki?
Squash.
Squash.
Yeah, and I'm done eating my avocado.
Well, okay. How about Zaki?
He's not done eating his squash.
Ano man gina-feed ni Mami?
Zaki also has water.
He likes it?
Yeah. I guess he's staring at the water.
More? Stay. More.
More food though, more. Wanna see?
He wants more?
Get it! What are you doing?
Diyan sa baba. Alright. Tiger and Kitty.
What?
Ano naman? Babe kayo eh. Ay! Don't! Nabi na ikuan baby. Butangin ka ng cloth siguro. Okay. Oo na. Tuluan biya nag mga hugaw.
Mommy.
Grabe makait ba?
You don't need to hold because Daddy already knows how to.
Akin yan eh. Mapalapit lang sa bibig. Wala na. Buro na siya mainom?
Dami-dami tulog.
Wag na, Mom.
Ba't?
More water daw. More water. More water.